So hello and welcome back to the channel. We are going to continue with our bug vision series with lilies now, Aurelian and Henry hybrids, and you can see that there's already a moth feeding on the nectar of an Aurelian lily. I'm turning off the light now, and you can see that the stigmas are red, but the nectar is glowing nice yellowish green. And this moth is just sucking up some good nectar. So you can see that the lilies are pollinated by moths. Here's the moth, and you can see that the pollen is invisible to the moth because they're brown, dark, black, so they don't see that, so they just accidentally bump into the anthers and the stigma through their way, continuing to the nectar. So this is a lovely one. Here's another lily with glowing nectar in the nectaries and red anthers and red stigma and style, and only the stigmatic lobes are colored when they are pollinated. This one has a lot of papillae on it, and it's a dark orange flower, and you can see that the nectar is started to crystallize in the nectaries. It's quite dark, but the nectar glows nicely. And I'm going to show you this lily in color now. So it's a lovely orange one with green nectaries, and the nectar is just glowing in the dark. Going to continue to the Henryi hybrids, and you can see that these Henryi hybrids are all having these huge nectaries. And now you can see that all Henryi have the same red nectaries with glowing nectar, and the anthers and the stigma are reddish and also they are helping the moths to find the lily flowers. So they're first white and then they're turning reddish. And a bud is glowing. So here's another bud. You can see it glows in the dark. And the rest of the plant is red. Oh, now look at that lovely flower with a nectar on it there, dried in nectar. So, and this moth is still feeding on the nectar, so it's quite nice to observe pollinators in life. And the trumpets are finishing, so I'm going to go to the back of the garden and show you the orientals. Interesting that the seed pods also glow a little bit. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye!